Hey everyone, welcome back to Savitri's Kitchen. It's Halloween season, and today we have something spooky and delicious for you pumpkin curry. This creamy, flavorful dish is perfect for the season and a great way to use those pumpkins you have lying around. Let's dive right into this Halloween special. First, we will start by preparing our pumpkin. Make sure de-seeded and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Pumpkin has a natural sweetness which pairs beautifully with the spices. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add 1 large size chopped onions, salt to taste, and saute until it turns golden brown. This will form the base of our curry. Now add 2 green chilies and saute for another couple of minutes. To this add cubed pumpkins, one teaspoon turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Now add 1 strand of curry leaves. Stir it well and cook it for a minute. Next add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir well to combine and cook for another couple of minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of jaggery cubes to the pan and stir well. Now add water and mix well and adjust the spices at this level. Cover and cook the pumpkin on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes soft and tender. Keep stirring occasionally to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Finally add some fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Transfer the pumpkin curry to a serving bowl. And there you have it, our Halloween special pumpkin curry is ready to be served. Try this delicious recipe at home and let me know in comments how it turned out for you. See you this Sunday with another delicious recipe. Thank you.